It's Jeff, Paint Overspray Removal of Texas. We've got this Cadillac we're trying to finish here. It's got polyurethane spray foam on it. And we are shaving it, of course. It's what we call a medium. It's not really that bad. My dishwasher liquid on there. Clay bar. Just clay off the residue. I'll take these bug guts off with the same bar of clay without using any chemicals, without spraying anything on it. Just clay them off. See, the thing about new cars is their hoods and everything else is so flimsy. The metal is so thin. So you don't want to press hard when you clay. It's a matter of going over the dot. A little bit of pressure, but mainly going over the dot. And what it does is it shims it off layer by layer. So let the clay bar do the work, but don't press real hard. Very big part of it. You're only as good as the materials you use, that's for sure. That's what I say about other companies. You're only as good as your employees. This is the method. I know this looks
no, I've seen your videos.
But yeah, what I'm doing here is I'm getting underneath it further. Right. The clay bar mills it down, but polyurethane is not like paint. It doesn't mill down like a piece of paint does. So you kind of have to shave them to get it off. I mean, you know, we've got thousands of vehicles like this. This one here is coming out really nice. The thing of it is, that Cadillac, that lady with the Cadillac, I mean, the Mercedes. I think she'll let me do it, maybe after she sees this one. But, you know, she's pretty.
She's got it in her head that,
yeah,
that it's got to be repainted.
Exactly.
That's what the...
Once they hit the dealership or the body shop, sure, it's trouble. Because, you know, they don't clean cars, they paint them.
So what are the only ones that you like? Is it the Mercedes and the Challenger?
Yep, Mercedes and that Challenger. The Ford Mustangs, you know, in the shop.
Right.
The Challenger, the fella came up to me yesterday and asked me to go ahead and do it. So I'm going to do his tomorrow. And he said his friend owns a body shop. So I said, well, let's just do it over there. You know, because there's a lot of dust in the air over here. Not actually dust, cotton.
Sure.
Now look at that finish for you. You're a painter, you know how to look at paint. Perfect. Look at all the angles.
It's perfect.
It's crazy sounding.
No, I know it. I know it works. I just like my deal is like, you know. I mean, well, you know how.
Got to see it done.
No, I was total believe. I saw your videos and stuff, so I was like, oh yeah, hell yeah, this will work. But
versus wet sanding and stuff.
So what do you
got it off of there?
What's your method? Just clay?
I use on the smooth sections clay. Anything smooth, use clay. That means chrome, handles, rear view mirrors, tail lights, headlights, even this up here. This is one of the lighter ones, but you can hear that overspray on there. So now I'm going to take some dishwashing liquid with my clay bar. Auto Magic clay is the only thing I use. It is the best clay on the market without a doubt. All the major overspray companies, they use Auto Magic clay, believe me. And what I'm doing is claying through that wax, left it on there. Give it a little blow there. Okay, now I'm going to show you something. Now there's no wax on this, and there's no anything on it. I clayed it off. But look at that paint. It's perfect. I mean, it's a cloudy day, but you can see. Okay, that's good enough. Come over and do this real quick. See, when I'm shaving it, I'm actually going over it like 3 or 4 times because I'm backtracking. Alright, that is your finished product, Cadillac SUV. Okay, this one was about a medium. It wasn't the worst I've ever seen. Of course, like all the others, I had to shave it to get 100% of it off. Now, I also removed it off of all of the trim here, mirror pieces, the mirror itself, all this chrome, that little gasket right there, this, you know, side molding, the gasket here, chrome, and that little gasket. This piece was gotten. This whole piece right here is done. This luggage rack. This was polished and removed of overspray. Even these little areas right here, it was very noticeable because the overspray is like a beige color. It's polyurethane. This piece here and the sides, everything come out really nice. Now this one here I didn't buff, was not necessary. I bladed it, clayed it, and I used the portal to apply sealant, and that's it. No necessary in buffing a vehicle that's pretty like this. Okay, all that's been repaired. Windshield wiper arms, all done. Okay. get a look at the top here. Okay, the top here is of course mostly glass, but the glass has been repaired 100%. No scratches or anything like that. I even took out the water stains because up here in the country they have a lot of hard water, so all that came out in the cleaning process, no extra charge. Okay, Paint Overspray Removal of Texas International Services. That is the last vehicle for this group. I am truly glad to be done.